Hello friends, nice to meet you. Today I want to introduce our one CNC router for review. This machine is designed for cutting the wooden sheet materials, so widely used the wood furniture productions. Now please follow me to check this machine's full situations. Firstly, this machine uses a 1.3 by 2.5 meter working area. You can put the whole sheet, the wood materials on the work table directly. No need to cut it in small pieces. And in here, you can find the 3 wheels. This is the machine's cylinder. When working, it will down to press the materials, avoid the materials moving when cutting it, can guarantee the whole cutting the precision. And in here, we use the Bing Power 6 kilowatt air-cooled windows. It can offer the higher cutting power when working. So you can imagine, because of that, we can cut the 3 layers plywood sheet together, can greatly raise the whole working efficiencies. And in here, we equipped with one dust machine together. When working, it can clean the wood dust to guarantee the whole. In here, when you accept this machine, you can open it and connect it with the electric and operate it is all key. Now, please follow me to check how this machine's working situations.